pastoral training with Oasis of Love. He has defended the faith through apologetic studies, explored the complexities of the legal system at BIT College of Law, and honed his business acumen through entrepreneurship studies with the ABS-7 Foundation and UP Diliman professors. Today, you may know him as a licensed broadcaster whose voice resonates across TV Hagna, radio, and every major social media platform such as Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and newspaper. And of course, he is the visionary founder of Altam Destiny Land Farm Resort in Upper Kambaha. Above all, he is a servant leader. As the head of the Children of Elohim community, he dedicates his life to three pillars: God's glory, uplifting the poor, and fighting the climate crisis through aggressive reforestation efforts. Please join me in welcoming a homegrown hero, a philanthropist, and a true servant of God and earth. No other than Mr. Lakaran Closas. A big round of applause.